Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have yet another amazing software. This one is called AI Tutor, and this one in a nutshell is a groundbreaking AI application that builds Udemy-like sites and populate them with AI crafted courses which you can sell online to anybody on any of the platform on any niche of your choice. So if you want to create income on a recurring basis, passive income, this is another business box that you have, because it's going to help you create through AI courses that are going to be selling online. And it could be membership courses, it could be training of any kind on any subject, on any niche, and definitely you'll be able to sell this service to others without researching, without creating any course yourself. And it works in any niche obviously, and you don't need any ads whatsoever. This one is going live today, the 9th of September 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And this one is being launched by my friend Anjani Kumar. Okay, so if you stick with me, I'm going to show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are going to definitely complement with this product in a way that is going to serve you and give you more incentives as to how to make money online. Also take you to the members area, which I am privileged to secure from Anjani himself. And this is the dashboard where you will see exactly how all of this works. We'll go through these buttons and see, and definitely probably see the video of this product in action, so that you see what you have here. Now let us definitely go proper into this review. But before we go into that, let me remind you that my name remains Mike of the MikeandBodyWell.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring up products that are going to help you make money online and become financially free. And of course, if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Now, this is exactly what the product is about. The benefits that you're going to get from this one: it's going to revolutionize e-learning. That means AI Tutor, this application, is transforming the e-learning industry by enabling anyone to create and sell courses effortlessly. And of course, it is AI powered with content creation. AI does the creation of the contents for you, and you can instantly generate high quality courses in any niche with zero content creation. You say goodbye to writing, recording, and designing. And of course, you have Udemy-Like website creation, which you can create with this application. I've seen that in the members area, the domain name and everything is basically done. And once you click submit, it brings out the whole thing for you, and you get stunning, fully operational Udemy-Like websites in 30 seconds or less, and no tech experience is required. It's copy and paste, and you monetize expertise. And of course, you can turn this knowledge into profit, whether you are an expert, blogger, coach, or business owner. AI Tutor helps you monetize your skill, and you can of course drive personalization, keeps learners engaged and motivated. Of course, AI driven personalization keeps learners engaged and motivated. It recommends tailored content and activities based on the reactions and likes and dislikes of the audience, which are algorithmed with these applications. So it has chatbot support, it has multi-language support, which means you can do this in any language of your choice, and you have this ability to effortlessly generate traffic with this very one, because it could go to your social media handles for free audience and all that, and you can of course use automation system with this. That means from course creation to customer support, AI Tutor handles everything in the background, ensuring a smooth experience. And you have automated funnel creation as well, which means you can create high converting funnels completely with landing pages, VSLs, and of course emails are created for each course automatically. And you have seamless payment integration. You can integrate it with Stripe or with PayPal or any other payment instruments out there, and you have zero upfront cost, and you have 24/7 customer care support and versatile market fit. And that means it is ideal for product creators, affiliate marketers, e-commerce store owners, bloggers, CPA marketers, video marketers, and you have also artists, personal brands, and freelancers can use this very application and have gigs on Fiverr or any of the other places like Upwork and freelancer.com and be able to sell your services there. Okay, so it gives you sort of a business in a box, in a complete one single dashboard. Okay, so I like that. I like the composition, and here are the testimonials from John Smith, Emily Clark, and Sarah Johnson, and of course Alex Martinez. And these are all people who are currently using the beta testers of this product, and you can just read their testimonials at your convenience when you arrive here. And of course, you go through the steps, which is step 1, you buy this product using my link. That first link below in my description area, it will give you access to a copy of this, okay? And then you log into your intuitive and easy to use dashboard, which I have shown you before, which is exactly this. And then of course you select step 2, you select your niche and enter a keyword, then let AI do all the rest of the job for you. And step 3, you deploy this thing. AI Tutor will create stunning and operational Udemy-Like courses and start promoting it on your behalf online. And step 4, definitely you get your passive income, recurring income, or active income at the moment. And of course, this is what I mean by giving you products to help you make money online. Okay, so these are some of the other things you can get with this one: creating any course yourself, researching anything yourself, designing. These are the things you avoid: designing website, paying for traffic, configuring automation, building a funnel, paying for traffic, configuring automation, building a funnel. All these things are things you are going to avoid, which you normally pay on subscription basis, and you know what it means to maintain a business online when you pay all those amounts of money on monthly basis. So this product is an idea to help anyone avoid those expenses and be able to do the same job yourself. So that's why I like the idea behind this, and possibly I believe it's going to give you exactly what it says it's going to do. Okay, so I will leave the rest of the review of the sales page to you so that you see if this is going to be for you when you eventually arrive here. But for now, let us see the members area and see if we can make a hell or tail of what is going to be. This is of course the dashboard, and this is the open AI setting where you can build anything you want, manage your open AI settings, built-in API, and you can add it yourself here. Okay, so this is what you have here. And here you go to create a domain. You can create a domain by simply add domain. If you click that, you can say okay, mindset. Okay, for example, description: how to change your mindset by changing your thoughts. Okay, then you can choose any file or logo of your choice from your computer. Okay, and then let's use this one, which is the logo of this product. And then if you have favicon, which will indicate in your browser that you are the person who owns the site or whatever. If you have any favicon in the form of logo, you can add that here. Right now I don't want to add that, so you save. I believe the AI will definitely do the job. Now you have this is the very domain you have secured. You can view it with this, you can delete, you can edit, and of course you have also the course manager with this button. Okay, active courses too, and the rest of them you can create fitness course. So these are the ones already active, created by other reviewers exactly. So, and here you have the course category: PDF creator, blog. Okay, let's see what blog has. All blogs, blog category. You have agency on this one. Okay, that will be for somebody who has bought this. Done for you: income stream automation, white level unlimited training. Of course, this is the first port of call. If you click this, it's going to take you to the training and sales report. Everything is here because you are using this instrument to build courses, okay, and build it for clients and build it for yourself. And of course, you know what that means. So you have your payout report, you have your payout setting, sales report, training. Everything is here. So I will leave the link to this very description and this very video in my description area. The second link there will be able to give you access to the demo video link where you can see exactly what this product does for you. But for now, maybe we can play that. Let's play that video anyway, and then go to the pricing and my bonuses. Okay. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review digital and IT products to help you make money online. Now let us take a look at the pricing for this one. The front end goes for $15, and that will give you access to this software, and which is exactly this. And you have of course the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited version, goes for $67. You have the OTO number 2, which is the done for you edition. Here everything is done for you. It goes for $197. You have AI Tutor OTO number 4, which is the upgrade number 3. Sorry, that will give you for $47. You have the OTO number 5 which is the automation system for $167. You have also the OTO number 4 as $97. You have the number 6 as $97. Number 7 $47. You have this one, the white level, for $387. That means you can get this product and it becomes your own. You have the license to sell it, to rebrand it, to add your logo, do anything you want, to change the name, do anything you want, and launch it and see if it's your own product. So that's another very good one. Now let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. 10 of them actually. You have the first one as the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets. You have the list building expert, very important. You have internet marketing fast start. You have affiliate marketing secrets. You have of course the 30-day to bigger email list ebook. That's an ebook. You have the chatbot marketing mastery. You have building the perfect sales funnel, which complements exactly with this product. You have blogging for profit, which is going to be part of the things you are going to construct with this instrument. Okay, and you have also the email list building blueprint, and of course the copywriting crackdown on how you can even create prompts that are going to be valuable on the ChatGPT 4 or any of the other AI artificial intelligence agent platforms. Okay, so that's about what you have as my amazing and mega bonuses for you, and definitely that will bring us towards the end of this review. I will encourage you at any point you decide to buy this very product. That first link below in my description area will give you access to this very sales page where you buy a copy. By clicking this link, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. And when you do a copy of AI Tutor, which helps you create Udemy-like sites and courses that are going to sell there, you could use it to create membership courses, and of course you know what that means. It helps you make passive income and recurring income. That means you can bask in the sun while the system is actually making money for you online. Okay, so with that we come to the end of this. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here